Welcome to All American Medical Supply. You recently received your McKesson shower chair. Let's learn how to assemble it. Open your box and remove all the items out and place them in front of you on a flat surface or a tabletop. You're going to have 4 legs that are adjustable, the shower backrest, the shower seat, and 2 elbows. The first thing we're going to do is grab the shower seat and flip it over. You'll see there's 4 black stoppers. These are to be removed and discarded. Simply put your hand down and pull them off with a little twist. Take a look, there'll be a marking where it says rear. That gives you the idea that this is the back of the shower chair. This is where the elbows will go in. Now let's insert the elbows. Simply grab the elbow, press the button, insert it into the opening, and twist it in. Once you've got the stopper down, you can go ahead and push it and it will click, right like that. Let's do it again for the other side. Grab your elbow, press the button down, insert it, wiggle it till you get to the opening, and it'll click into place. All set. Now it's time to insert the shower chair legs. Take a look closely. Here you have a rubber cover over the little silver button. You don't need to remove that. What you need to do is grab the leg and the plastic housing and wiggle away. You'll see the letter A here. Now we're going to match both the markings of the letter A to insert the leg. You see the marking over here. I'm going to insert it and press the little rubber cover for the button and press in. I know I've got it in because it's not wiggling anymore. Now adjust the leg so that the silver button pops out. This is how we adjust the height later. Alright, let's do this one more time. Grab the plastic housing and the leg. Separate it to expose the marking of the letter A. You can keep going till the silver button clicks into the last spot. Now, insert it, matching up the A's, press the button, and then you'll see it pop out. Now it's secure. Now we're going to repeat the steps for the last 2 legs. Alright, we're ready for the last step now. All 4 legs are on. Flip over the shower chair. Grab the backrest. You'll see 2 push buttons on the back. You're going to insert them into the back. Do you see the little openings? That's where they're going to come out in. Align the backrest, insert, give it a little wiggle, small tap. Now, press on the silver buttons. And if you see that, hey, it didn't go all the way through, no problem. Give it a wiggle and just a tap from the back and it popped out. All set. Your McKesson shower chair is now assembled, but let's adjust it for height. Here's the push button for one of the legs. Depress and pull the leg out. It'll snap to the next notch. Do the same for all 4. If you need it higher, go ahead and do the same and repeat. Remember, your shower chair is covered 1 every 2 years under your Medicaid or MCO policy in Illinois. All right, see you next time.